I'm vlogging! Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carlene. If you're not new, welcome back, girl. We are starting a new weekly vlog, and today we are in the car. Don't worry, I'm not driving, I'm not one of those, but we have quite a few things to do. Last week was like super hectic, and by last week, I mean like just through yesterday. I had people visiting, I had multiple times I had to go into New York City. This week, hopefully it's gonna be a little bit more chill, but we will see. Gotta finalize a lot of stuff for the wedding, not today, this week, and like setting up the wedding website, and I'm finally feeling good enough to drive. As you guys can see, I have been actually having my favorite massage therapist from Body Luxe in Newark in New Jersey. If you're in the tri-state area, I highly recommend. I have been having them come to my house instead because it'd be like that, okay? And it's been 4 weeks post-op from my BBL. If you guys are new here, yes, I got a BBL, girl. I have no butt before. Anyway, so we are going to our lymphatic drainage massage. Everybody's always like, ooh, you're getting a massage, girl. It kind of hurts low key, but like in a good way. So that's what we're gonna go do today. I've been working all morning on daily deals. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should, girl, because I give you all the deals every single day. And sometimes I wake up and I'm like, whew, let's do it again, girl. Let's do it. It's like kind of a lot sometimes, but there was a lot of good stuff today. Anyway, my point is that I went ahead and did that, and then I had to turn in some stuff, but now we're on our way to Newark and we are gonna get a little massage. And I am actually sipping on, I haven't even drank. Well, I drank coffee this morning. I haven't had anything to eat this morning. It's 11:30 already. Don't recommend. Just don't do that, okay? But I love this Premier Protein. This is the salted caramel popcorn. You guys, okay, low key, they gave me, not low key, I mean high key. They sponsored a post on my Instagram. This is not sponsored at all, but I love this stuff. This is like a limited edition flavor, and it's one of those flavors that you're like, what does this taste like? Tastes exactly like salted caramel popcorn. So I don't know, I love these, especially when I'm on the go or like I forget to eat or something, because it has 30 grams of protein, 160 calories, less than 1 gram of sugar, and 24 vitamins and minerals. So that's why I love these. I haven't found too many flavors that I don't enjoy. So I will link these down below, but let's get into it. I'm vlogging! Hello, I'm good, how are you? There's nobody here right now, right? Oh my God, Issa. Are you okay? Sorry, I just caught that on camera. Oh my gosh, just left the lymphatic massage. I feel so good. If you guys are in the tri-state area, make sure you go to Issa at Body Luxe. But now it's time to get on. Guys, I still have to use this little thing, my boppy pillow, for sitting in. All right, I decided to actually run to Trader Joe's since I was literally like so close anyway, and I needed food anyway for like lunches. So let's go ahead and do a quick little Trader Joe's haul. All right, so this is everything I got. It should be like dinner and lunches for the next couple days for sure. Trying really hard to eat at home, but let's start off with the frozen stuff. So I actually went ahead and tried this in store. They were like testing it out. It was so good. So I picked up pulled pork to go with it, or you could easily do like the pulled chicken. I just got both versions. It's already pre-cooked and all of that. So excited for this. And then also went ahead and got 2 salads. I think I'm gonna probably eat the Waldorf one today for lunch. And I have tried the Harvest salad with grilled chicken in the past. It's really good. Also got the Mediterranean style salad. I love this, especially with like some chicken. I got the heat and serve chicken over here. This is the grilled lemon pepper, but they have other versions as well. So that's always a good, quick, easy meal. And then not grilled feta, what the heck? Crumbled blue cheese. So even if I ordered a salad, I feel like they never give me enough cheese. So definitely a must have. And again, this is something I haven't tried, but I'm gonna try it with probably either the pulled chicken or again, this chicken right here. But this is a spaghetti and rich creamy sauce with pecorino romano cheese and black peppers. It looks really yummy. So excited for that. And then also haven't tried this either, but this looks delicious. This is a pasta salad, pesto pasta salad. Excited for this. Went ahead and picked up some organic orange juice, some bananas, and this was like a last minute ad. This is a watermelon wine with just champagne, Chandon champagne. And then, oh, I got this for right now, the snack. I love mangoes, which speaking of which, I saw these at checkout and I was like, what the heck are green mangoes? Like I'm assuming it's just like right before they're too ripe. So gonna try these out. They're sweetened, but they're tart and sweet. So we'll see if I like those. And last but not least, you guys, I have a problem. This is my Jamaican side coming out. I have a problem. I literally love plantain. So look at this variety of plantains I got, okay? The jerk style plantain chips are so freaking good. They're bomb. They taste delicious. They're spicy though. So if you don't like spice, then don't get these. Sweet plantain chips, these are delicious as well. I can eat the whole bag. They're so good. Oh my gosh. These were a last minute ad as well. I saw these and I was like, ooh, this is new. Dark chocolate drizzled plantains sprinkled with sea salt. This looks so yummy. And then the girl that was helping me in this aisle actually said that this is her favorite. Kind of looks like Maduro's. I think this would be really good with this mango salsa that I always get from Whole Foods. So this is the haul. And then of course, I cannot leave Trader Joe's without flowers. You guys, they have the best flowers. How much were these? Okay, it doesn't say, but these are under $10 for these, I'm pretty sure. We got 2 of these, and then I got some eucalyptus for the shower, and then I got some baby's breath, okay? But yeah, this is everything that I got from Trader Joe's. Oh my goodness, we got Millie and we just had the craziest wind, like literally the craziest wind just came and knocked an entire tree down. Entire tree in front of our house. Luckily it was not on our property. Luckily nobody got hurt. What else? Luckily it wasn't our tree. It was the city's tree, but it just literally went right on over, literally right over like the main road. So I called the non-emergency line and he's like trying to get somebody. He called all the right people, but oh my God. Stay safe, y'all. All right, y'all. I've been so bad. I have a confession. I've been so bad about vlogging the last few days, but we're gonna get back into the routine, girl. I look crazy because I am sitting in the parking lot right now. I'm about to go into Ulta to get my keratin done. I've been doing keratin for about a year-ish now, and I was all natural before that. And basically, like, I was getting weaves back to back and I just wanted to wear my natural hair, but at the same time I wanted to make it more manageable. So that is why I switched to keratin. And I do feel like my hair's gotten thinner, but not because of the keratin, because I'm dealing with like hormonal issues. So that's the only caveat, like there's that. But what we are doing now, what we were doing originally was like over layering all of the keratin, like back to back to back, like on the same hair. And last time we switched and I was like, look, can we just do the new growth? So we are just doing new growth at the top to keep it a little bit healthier. I probably won't get a haircut, even though she's gonna tell me that I need to. Shout out to Patricia, she's always keeping it honest. I go to the Ulta in Woodbridge for my hair. If you guys don't know, every Ulta has a hair salon and you can get your points, okay? That's why I go to Ulta. So, but yeah, this is the situation. Let's go ahead and fix it. Because it looks so bad. It looks so bad. Actually, it's not too bad, but it could be better. You know what I'm saying? For everyone wondering, yes, I am bringing my BBL pillow into Ulta. Look at that. It's growing so much.